Truths about irritable bowel syndrome. Essential tips to note down about irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is one of those diseases which rarely known among people. Only during the year 1992, a measurable set of symptoms that were used to distinguish the disease was proved. Some of the things that need to be remembered about IBS are: 1. IBS is not life-threatening. The syndrome is not fatal. People should know the truth that they will never undergo death due to the syndrome. As most of the doctors state the same old saying that the disease is not curable, people feel that this is a fatal illness. It is sure that the IBS lets the patient down and make them feel that they may die from such incurable illness, but it's not on key. Too common among people. Nowadays about 20 to 30% of people do get affected due to IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. People just mark illness in a way that those who get affected by IBS don't have tendencies to discuss it. All sufferers get relieved when they will find the fact that others are also having similar IBS symptoms. 3. Unidentified reason. The correct reason behind the irritable bowel syndrome is still not clear. Even so, it has been determined that the symptoms can be induced by several causes. Though there is no hard and fast remedy for the irritable bowel syndrome, there are several facts that the person can do to reduce the impact of the indications. Technically, another name for the irritable bowel syndrome is a functional disorder, which leads to the truth that it's only due to the abnormal functions of the body. Though the physical framework of the body is of the same constituent, it works differently, but still, confusions arise on how different it works for the symptom to pop up. 4. Apparently opposing symptoms. Most of people want the disease to be examined with measurable standards of symptoms. Nevertheless, it has been found out that each instance of IBS can differ in their symptoms. While some suffer from constipation, some suffer from pain in the abdomen and diarrhea. Only after several crucial steps, a doctor can truly decide that a patient has irritable bowel syndrome. 5. Choose your food. As each food will have a different effect on you, it is only you who need to analyze which best suits you and which does not. Thus it all depends upon how you feel about each food. You need to intake a lot of fiber-rich content which are soluble, which also helps to stabilize the digestive system and avoid both constipation as well as diarrhea. Try to prevent certain allergic food to IBS like fat-enriched food, caffeinated drinks, decaf coffee, also not good beverages or drinks including alcohol, carbonated soda/drinks, allergic dairy products. Some don't have the tolerance to lactose. Choosing fiber food. Not all kinds of fiber food will work out. You need to intake a large number of fruits and vegetables for the symptoms of IBS to disappear. But be cautious, as the insoluble fiber in these fruits and vegetables may again lead to discomfort. So you need to have soluble fiber add-ons with these foods to balance the bodily function in the stomach.